Have you ever pondered the art of cultivating blackberries? These sweet, juicy berries are not only a delight to the taste buds, but also a feast for the eyes when grown in your own garden. So, without further ado, let us unravel the mystery of blackberry cultivation. Step 1. Choose the right variety. There are several types of blackberries, from thornless varieties to those that produce exceptionally large fruits. Consider your climate and personal preferences when making your choice. Step 2. Find the perfect location. Blackberries thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Make sure your chosen spot isn't prone to standing water, as this can lead to root rot. Step 3. Prepare the soil. Blackberries prefer a soil pH between 6 and 7. Add compost or other organic matter to enrich the soil and ensure it's loose and fertile. Step 4. Plant the blackberries. Dig a hole wide and deep enough to accommodate the root system of your blackberry plant. Place the plant in the hole, backfill with soil, and firm it gently. Step 5. Water them well. After planting, water your blackberries generously. Continue to provide regular water, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to disease. Step 6. Mulch your plants. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and suppresses weeds. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch around your plants, taking care not to mound it against the stems. Step 7. Prune in the first year. Pruning encourages the growth of strong, healthy canes. Cut back the canes to about 24 inches after planting to encourage branching. Step 8. Train your plants. Blackberries produce fruit on second-year canes, so training them on a trellis or wire system helps manage growth and makes harvesting easier. Step 9. Fertilize annually. A well-balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can give your blackberries the nutrients they need to produce a bountiful harvest. Step 10. Harvest at the right time. Blackberries are ready to pick when they're fully black and pull away from the plant with a slight twist. To recap, cultivating blackberries involves choosing the right variety, finding the perfect location, preparing the soil, planting, watering, mulching, pruning, training, fertilizing, and harvesting at the right time. With these steps, you can transform your garden into a blackberry haven. Enjoy the process and the sweet rewards of your labor. Until next time, happy gardening.